So this is the second half of the piece of the Christmas tree, so we're just going to put a little tenon on the bottom of the flower pot, top of the flower pot, maybe a little bit higher, and then there's the gigni. So this is where the tree trunk will be, and then this will be the bottom. I'm doing a very simple shape here, which is just a cone really, but you can put all sorts of other shapes into it if you want to. So the diameter of the pot is less than the diameter of the tree. That looks much better visually. You don't have to have a pot, and of course you could just have a stem or just a round base. It's up to you. I like the pot. So none of this is sponsored, but they're pretty good, I think. That's good. So give it a tickle with the sanding machine. Now neither of those have got loops on them, but they could have them, and then you could hang them up. And, loops of gold thread, and they're sitting on some holly.